Hey folks, Moose here. So this video I'm going to be touching on a few things. One, I've been editing a bunch of videos that I had saved up. So I've got 5 of them that are on YouTube now. But I just released one of them today. I'm going to release another one in a couple days and one like every couple of days. So it should be something to do while we're all on quarantine. So with this whole COVID-19 thing, I want to make sure that you guys take note on the beginning of these videos. I put a little screen where, for your own protection, scrap safely. I know it's a weird time, but if you get scrap items, try not to touch them for three days or more. That's about the amount of time it would take for any living form of the virus to die. If it doesn't have a host, it'll die within 3 to 5 days. So protect yourself. I know that right now in Maine we have 118 cases, 90 of which are right here in Portland, right near where I live. So everyone down here is staying at home, and it's a good time to catch up on stuff that that needs to be scrapped. I had a bucket of RAM, so I spent a lot of time cutting off all the trim fingers and separating out the IC chips, the ones that have legs and the BGAs. You don't have to do that. They're processed the same way, but I can be weird sometimes. So yeah, catching up on stuff like that. And I got some more stuff in the mail. So I wanted to share with you some of the stuff that I got. So this is from, first one is from Chad Lee in Wells, Minnesota. And it's already been opened. I just wanted to go through it first. I couldn't really wait to do the video, so I'm impatient. So let's see. Start off, we've got a letter here. Dear Moose, I want to thank you for us subscribers to get a hold of you for advice, information, sending you items that you are requesting. I am sending 18 keys that I had in my brass bucket that I've been collecting for a few months now. I want to send my prayers to you for a fast recovery from your surgery. I'm having reconstruction surgery on my right shoulder February 27th, the day before you have your surgery. I'm looking forward to seeing more videos when you get the time and edit them. Thank you for all the inspiring videos you have made and placed on YouTube. I've watched a lot of them for information. You have demonstrated and taken apart a lot of items. In closing, my daughter has watched a few of your videos and has made a comment that you and I look alike, or look like brothers. So yours truly, Chad Lee. Well, first of all, I'm sorry about that. That anyone would look like me. But anyways, so thank you for this. And yeah, I hope your surgery went well. I know that was almost a month ago now. My surgery has gone by great. All the sciatic pain is still gone. I unfortunately didn't listen to my doctor's advice though with the no bending, lifting, twisting thing, and I kind of pulled something in my back, but it's nothing major. It'll just calm down on its own. So opening this up, sweet. We've got another whole bag of brass keys. Yep. Taking a magnet to them. Sometimes they're steel. But yep, so more keys. That's going to go to one of my first sand casting projects that I'm going to do this summer when it gets warm enough. As soon as it gets above 60 degrees, I'm going to start using the forge very regularly. Like big stack B regular, like every week. So I'm hoping that this summer you'll be able to do a Monday meltdown. Every Monday I'll put out a video of what I melted over the weekend. Alright, so we've got, I got 2 packages from Jim Katsky. Let's see, the first one. Hi Moose, hope everything went well with your operation. Get well real fast. Thanks for my 10 minutes of fame on YouTube. Looking forward to talking to you, Jim the Rockman in Arizona. Like more keys. Sweet. Tap, tap, tap. Yep, all brass. Alright. So thank you, Jim. Actually there was 2 things from me. Big package like this. Hi Moose, hope you're getting better. Maybe this very special Moose treat will help. Not sure if you're aware of these or not, but you are now enjoying good health. I have more keys, but they are nickel plated. Are they okay for your project? Alright, so I will send you the email response to that as well, but yeah, nickel plated is fine as long as they're brass underneath. What I'm going to be what I'm going to be pouring, the overall if it's nickel plated, the overall content of it is so tiny that the nickel won't really affect it. Alright, so what do we got here? We've got, open carefully, looks like PVC pipe. That's a good way to ship something where it won't get damaged. Harry and David, Moose Munch popcorn bar. Thank you. That will be enjoyed. It's amazing how many different things out there are moose related, especially up in Canada, northern Maine, Alaska, northern states. So it's cool to see all that stuff. So again, thank you, Jim. And I will be sending you an email. And the last thing that I got is from MooseScrapper, out in Jacksonville, Florida. Get on the note. Don, you were the second channel I subscribed to years ago. Sorry, E-Waste Ben was my first. That's quite alright. He's got an excellent channel. And if you aren't already subscribed to him, you should. His videos are, he scraps a whole bunch of different stuff. That's his living. That's what he does. So, he's going to have a lot more knowledge. He's going to have a lot more variety of things. Every time he puts out a video, I watch him. He's just one of those channels that you have to, when you get into it, if you're a scrapper, you want to watch it. So it says, hope these help with your project. MooseScrapper, Ernie. P.S. Ben and you convinced me to start my channel last year. Thank you. So, MooseScrapper. I'm assuming that's the name of your channel. So I'll check that out, and you guys watching, check it out as well. If it is a channel, I'll try and put a link into the description part of this video. And what do we got here? Oh, more keys. Well, these are cool keys. Yeah, so these keys are like, those weird ones. Kind of like that. Cool. Yep. I think they're brass. They feel pretty light. But these ones are brass. These are perfect. So awesome. Thank you much again. So yeah. So again, thank you guys for sending all this stuff in the mail. I really appreciate it. It's always nice to receive stuff like this from people who watch my videos. It's always positive stuff as opposed to a lot of the comments I get. But anyway, again, thank you all, and please be careful out there. I know you guys are probably getting sick of the whole coronavirus stuff going on, but yeah, it's really important, to keep social distancing in mind, and also to keep washing your hands. Try not to touch your face. Limit going out as much as you can, and take care of yourself, and take care of the people you love and the people around you. So thanks for watching, and be sure to keep on the lookout, because I just found out today that I get my daughter staring at me, that I'll be most likely working from home after my medical leave is up because of the coronavirus. So I'll be home a lot more, and I'll have time to do a lot more videos, and that'll be fun, especially when the forge is up and running. So thanks again. Thanks for watching. See you all later.